guys, welcome back to HLC Metal Parts. Today our video will take you on a journey through our manufacturing facility where you can witness the precision and care that goes into each stage of our production process. Our specialty wire form springs is designed to cater to unique requirements, offering flexibility and resilience in applications that demand high performance. They are typically made from wire bent into specific angles and lengths. We use the most advanced keyless spring machine in this industry to ensure that our spring wire meets customers' requirements for structure, function, and quality. It is in the production of the detent springs, also known as constant force springs, which are widely used in household appliances, home wind treatments, and other industry. Curtains that rely on their own gravity for extension and retraction. The secret lies in the springs within them. How to test the quality of these springs? We have special customized testing equipment that allows for automatic continuous recording for extended period. This ensures that our springs meet the highest standards of quality and performance, providing reliable and long-lasting solutions for our customers. The quality inspection process is a critical step in our production cycle. We employ state-of-the-art testing equipment to perform a range of checks, including tensile testing, spring rate measurement, and dimensional accuracy. In addition to our specialty wire form springs and the detent springs, we also offer a comprehensive range of complementary products designed to meet the diverse needs of our customers. Whether you require stand or custom-made solutions, our team of experts is here to help you find the perfect solution for your application. Thank you for your time to watch our video. We invite you to explore our website or contact us directly to learn more about our products, capabilities, and how we can help you achieve your goals.